Share Facebook tweet Pinterest email Sebastian Vettel's engine was not damaged in his first lap crash at last weekend's F1 Singapore Grand Prix. La Repubblica newspaper had reported that with his points deficit already blowing out to 28 points, Vettel might receive a further blow in the form of a grid penalty after photos showed damage to his Singapore power unit. But Germany's Auto Bild is reporting that Vettel's engine was not damaged and can be used again later in the season. Better still, Ferrari will roll out on schedule a new specification power unit in Malaysia next weekend, the report added. And teammate Kimi Räikkönen appears to be in line to do whatever it takes, insert team orders here, to help his teammate win a championship. As drivers, we know exactly what Ferrari expects from us, Räikkönen told European media outlet Speedweek. Of course I will help Vettel when it comes to the world title, just as I would expect help from him. Before Räikkönen can do that, though, Ferrari will have to tackle the F1 Malaysian circuit at Sepang, a course expected to favor Mercedes. Räikkönen said, "You assume it will be difficult for us. We don't. We go there, it's another race, another weekend, and we go there full of fight and we'll do our best."